Hello viewers, welcome to this video. In my previous video, I discussed noun and its definition. In this video, I am going to talk about nouns in detail. But before starting the lesson, I like to tell you about why we should learn nouns in details. We should learn nouns in details for the proper use of number, person, gender, case, and also for the correct use of articles like a and the before nouns. So, dear viewers, let's get started. Now, you know the name of anything is called noun. Here you can see some examples of nouns like Nuzrul, river, jury, gold, freedom. All these words function as nouns in a sentence. Now, I like to tell you about the classification of noun. In English, nouns are of 5 types and they are: number 1, proper noun; number 2, common noun; number 3, collective noun; number 4, material noun; and number 5, abstract noun. Now viewers, let's know the details about nouns. Let's first know about proper noun. Definition: a proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or any other thing. Here you can see the name of some persons like Rabindranath, Shifford, Keats. Here Rabindranath is a particular name of a poet. Shifford is a particular name of a boy. Keats is a particular name of an English poet. Let's now know about the name of things. Titanic is the particular name of a ship. Sun, moon are the particular names of objects. Padma is a particular name of a river. Name of places: Santahar. Santahar is a particular name of a town. Nauga is a particular name of a district. Bangladesh is a particular name of a country. As all these words indicate some particular names of persons, places, and things, so all these nouns are known as proper noun. Dear viewers, now I like to talk about common noun. Definition: a common noun is one which is common to each member of a class of person or things. Let's now see some examples of common noun. Here you can see river, flower, boy, girl, poet. All these words are called common nouns. Let's, dear learners, know the difference between proper and common noun. You know, proper noun is the name of a particular person, things, or place. Here you can see Padma, Meghna, Jamuna. These 3 nouns are the name of rivers. We call these 3 nouns generally river. So these nouns are known as proper noun, and as we commonly call these 3 nouns river, so river is called common noun. Let's now see Nuzrul, Byron, Milton. These are proper nouns because they indicate the particular name of some poets, but generally we call them poet. So poet is called a common noun. Let's now see Bangladesh, Nepal, India. These 3 nouns indicate the particular names of country, but we generally call them country. So country is a common noun. Neha, Nabina, Shammi, they are girls, and commonly we call them girl. So girl here is a common noun, and Neha, Nabina, Shammi, these are the particular names of girls. So dear viewers, I think you have understood about the difference between proper noun and common noun. Now let's see or know about collective noun. At first, let's know the definition of collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group of person or things of the same kind as one undivided whole. Let's see some examples of collective noun: army, navy, jury, fleet, team, group, class, band, flock. All these nouns indicate the name of a group of person or things. Army indicate the combination of some soldiers. Navy also indicates the combination of some naval soldiers. Jury also indicates a group of lawyers. Similarly, team indicates 9 or 11 players. We form a team with the help of 9 or 11 players. That's why team is also known as a collective noun. Similarly, group, class, band, flock also are known as collective noun. Now I like to tell you about the difference between common noun and collective noun. Here you can see common noun player, collective noun team. Here team is made up with the help of 9 or 11 players. When we call player, it is common noun. When a team is made up with some players, it turns into a collective noun. In the second example, you can see student is a common noun, but when some students sit in a room, it becomes a class. So class is here known as collective noun. I hope, dear viewers, you have got some clear conception about the difference between common noun and collective noun. Now I like to tell you about material noun. Definition: a material noun is a name which indicates a material or substance as a mass and does not indicate any number or part of it. Let's now see some examples of material noun. Here you can see gold, iron, wood, water. All these nouns indicate some materials, indicate the names of some materials. We can say gold is a material, iron is also a material, wood is also a material, and water is a liquid material. As these nouns indicate some materials, they are known as material noun. Now I like to tell you about the difference between material noun and common noun. Gold is a material noun, but when we make something by using gold like chain, ring, bracelet, this turns into common noun. Similarly, wood is a material noun, but when we prepare table, chair, bench from woods, they turn into common noun. Now I like to tell you about Abstract noun. The name of a quality, state and action is called abstract noun. In other words, nouns which cannot be seen, touched, but only can be felt by our five organs are called abstract noun. Let's now see some examples of abstract noun. Kindness, it's a name of a quality. Dishonesty, it's also a name of a bad quality. Death is a name of a state, physical condition of a human being. Meditation also indicates some action. Education, beauty is a physical condition, external state of a human being. Poverty, it also indicates economical condition of a man. Independence, it also indicates the mental state of a human being. As all these words indicate quality, state and action, so these nouns are called abstract noun. I hope, dear viewers, you have enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching the video. For getting more new videos regarding English grammar, please subscribe to my channel Anwar Academy. I will be present in front of you with a new video. Till then, be good, be happy. Thank you all.